Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best travel destinations from around the world. In today's video, we are going to explore the top 10 best places to visit in the Netherlands. The Netherlands, known for its vibrant tulip fields, windmills, and historic canals, is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Let's begin our journey with number 10. 1. Keukenhof. The Keukenhof is a stunning botanical garden in the picturesque city of Lees. A trip to the Netherlands is not complete without checking out the Keukenhof, which contains millions of flowers and plants. It's an incredible botanical garden located in Lees, the Netherlands' garden city. The Keukenhof is often referred to as the Garden of Europe or the Flower City, and it is the world's most extensive flower garden. The spectacular flowers of Keukenhof are displayed on a vast expanse of land measuring 32 hectares. It is only open when the tulips bloom during the spring, making it an attractive and colorful experience. Aside from admiring the scent and beauty of its blooms, capturing amazing landscapes is one of the finest things to do while in the flower city. You can also watch and even participate in the garden's flower shows. 2. Binnenhof. The magnificent Binnenhof complex in the royal city of The Hague is a beautiful old building and one of the most famous landmarks in the country's South Holland region. It's also known as Het Binnenhof or Inner Court, Hall of Knights. The Binnenhof has served as the country's political nerve center for ages. It is a well-known town hall for members of the Dutch parliament, government, and leaders. It also houses the office of the Prime Minister. Visitors can tour the town hall facility and experience its beauty by selecting from several itineraries that include a walk through the ancient structure and a tour of the House of Representatives, which has an awe-inspiring design with its old town walls. 3. Castle de Haar. Castle de Haar is a fantastic place to start your journey across the Netherlands if you're searching for a beautiful holiday in the country. It's a remarkable historical monument and tourist attraction that you shouldn't miss. The castle ruins are quite possibly the Netherlands' largest castle and among the most picturesque places to visit in the country. Castle de Haar, also known as Kasteel de Haar, has various exciting things to do. You may stroll through its beautiful park and learn about its fascinating history or browse the collections displayed in its rooms. It's also a fantastic option for couples wanting to have a beautiful and romantic wedding ceremony. 4. Hoge Veluwe National Park. Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Well, the Hoge Veluwe National Park is a wonderful attraction and park in the Netherlands that provides an outstanding outdoor experience. It is a destination for people of all ages, particularly those who like to explore the wilderness independently. The Hoge Veluwe National Park, better known as the National Park de Hoge Veluwe, is a Dutch park centered in the province of Gelderland. It's one of only 2 privately held national parks, making it among the most unique natural places to visit in the Netherlands. The majority of the park's landscape features dunes and wooded areas. Many lovely sights can be explored when arranging a trip and a day excursion into the park. In addition, the park offers many cultural experiences for visitors to participate in. 5. Rijksmuseum. One of the finest places to visit in the Netherlands is the internationally famed Rijksmuseum, which is also one of the country's most interesting museums. The Rijksmuseum is among Amsterdam's finest and most renowned museums. Not only that, it's located on the picturesque Museum Square, which is a paradise for museum lovers. The museum has a vast collection of incredible artworks and relics from the nation's 800-year history. Paintings by many well-known artists, including Vincent van Gogh, Rembrandt, and other renowned Dutch painters, such as Frans Hals and Vermeer, are on display and exhibited in the museum. 6. Van Gogh Museum. In the historic center of the modern city of Amsterdam, one of the finest activities to do is to visit the magnificent museum dedicated to Vincent van Gogh. The Van Gogh Museum is a Dutch art museum where works by Vincent van Gogh are on display. Art lovers will enjoy a tour of Van Gogh's greatest pieces of work, including seeing and learning about the creation of the artist's most famous works. The world's most complete collection of works by Van Gogh is at this museum in Amsterdam, including more than 2,000 paintings and drawings. The museum explores the artist's life and works through its permanent collection, showcasing his progression as an artist and providing information about him. Over 200 oil paintings, 500 important drawings, and more than 700 letters are all displayed at the museum. The exhibition includes Van Gogh's most famous works, including sunflowers, potato eaters, almond blossom, and self-portrait with grey felt hat. The museum also hosts exhibitions on various themes relating to art history during the 19th century. 7. Windmills at Kinderdijk. One of the Netherlands' best historical sites is the fishing village of Kinderdijk, which houses a museum and tourist attraction that is just minutes away from Rotterdam Central Station. The windmills at Kinderdijk are the subject of this museum. This collection of 19 Titanic windmills is located in the Alblasservaart polder. It offers stunning views while also demonstrating Dutch achievements in waterworks for more than 1,000 years. When seeing the windmills, you should learn about the Dutch waterworks, take stunning vistas, and explore some of the lovely marshes of the Netherlands. In 1997, the windmills at Kinderdijk have been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site for their beauty and historical significance. 8. Anne Frank House. In this list, we've got towns like Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and Haarlem that have been voted the best places to visit in the Netherlands by locals and tourists alike for a good night out. It is one of the most well-known destinations to see when visiting Amsterdam. And yes, it's worth pounding the cobbled streets to find this place going just for her diary alone. This home is notable for being the birthplace of Anne Frank, a prominent diarist and Holocaust victim of German-Dutch heritage with Jewish roots. While hiding for more than 2 years during World War II, Anne wrote her diary in the hidden annex of this very house. The home serves as a museum and national landmark and as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in its present condition. This is where Anne and her family took refuge in the house's secret annex during the German occupation of the Netherlands. The Anne Frank House Museum tour is only 30 minutes. The secret annex room and other furnishings that Anne and her family left are preserved and exhibited in great detail. 9. Artis. The Natura Artis Magistra Zoo, also known as the Artis, is a stunning location in Amsterdam's historic city centre. It is regarded as the Netherlands' first zoo and is one of Europe's oldest zoos. The attraction, which opened its doors in 1838, currently houses over 750 animal species. While visiting Artis, you can participate in a variety of enjoyable activities. You can take advantage of the green oasis and enjoy biking amidst the bustling city of Amsterdam. And spend the day with the whole family exploring the various animals on display. Aside from creatures great and small, there are a number of other things to see and do, such as the lovely gardens, which are ideal for strolling about and relaxing. Dom Tower is one of the best places to visit in the Netherlands. This church tower stands proudly over Utrecht's old city centre and is also the country's tallest church spire. 10. Dom Tower. Dom Tower is one of the best places to visit in the Netherlands. This church tower stands proudly over Utrecht's old city centre and is also the country's tallest church spire. Built between 1321 and 1382, the 112.5-metre-tall tower is a major cultural attraction and emblem of Utrecht. The Dom is also one of the most beautiful medieval buildings and historic churches in Europe. Among the best things to do in the Netherlands, especially in the well-preserved historic centre of Utrecht, is to climb the immense Dom Tower, which has a, literally, staggering 465 steps. In addition, there are a total of 13 giant bells in the tower, which are resoundingly loud if you're up there while they ring. An incredible view of Utrecht's medieval city and neighboring towns is available from the top of the tower, especially on a sunny and clear day. And that wraps up our today's episode. Thanks for watching our video on the 10 best places to visit in the Netherlands. We hope you found it informative and inspiring for your future travels. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel content like this. Have you been to any of the destinations we featured in this video? Or do you have any other recommendations for must-visit places in the Netherlands? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, happy travels.